Hi subscribers and viewers of OWUUBII channel. I welcome you back to this wonderful channel. And so in this video we are going to talk about Mangle, what Mangle means and what Mangle means in networking, but precisely what Mangle can be used for in Mikrotik router. And so in this video we are going to use the Mangle rule and the firewall in Mikrotik to shape bandwidth. So please stay tuned and watch this channel. Thank you. So first of all, let's look up the definition of Mangle. According to the internet, according to Merriam-Webster, the meaning of Mangle means to injure with deep disfiguring wounds by cutting, tearing or crashing. But let's look up Mangle in networking, what it means. Mangle in networking is a kind of marker that marks packets for future processing with special marks. That's the meaning of Mangle in networking. Okay. In Mikrotik, Mangle rule allow you to classify users and allocate bandwidth to these users based on the relevance of their activities to the organization. So that is a basic definition with regards to Mangle in networking. Without wasting time, let's quickly go ahead with this configuration. Where we can locate the Mangle rule is under firewall, which is under IP. So this is firewall. So we need to do first things first. We need to go and look up the IPs. So in this case, I want to shape bandwidth according to the most important people in an organization I belong to that uses the internet most. And so to do that, I need to quickly come to my IP under DHCP server and then locate the various IPs. Okay, so let's assume these are certain IPs. Okay, I want to categorize them. So after creating your address list for this particular department, which is the IT control, you come to the Mangle side on the firewall and then create a Mangle rule for download and upload for this particular address list you created. Okay, so first of all, let's deal with the forward, the download. So you should choose forward and then the in interface, so which means the interface by which I'm bringing in internet, which is Ether 2. You go to advanced and then select your source address list and then you choose IT and control. Come to action, click on mark packet and then specify a name for it. Allowed pack, let's say allowed packets, yes, and then apply and OK, and then do the same thing for the download, which is output. Okay, and then the out interface is bridge. Come to advanced, select the source address list, which is IT control. Action, click on mark packet and select the new packet mark we created and then click apply and OK. We are not done. The last thing you need to do is to come to your queue. So this is the queue rule here, and you need to configure a queue rule here by clicking to add and then give it a name. Let's say IT and control, and then you leave the target at default. Okay, and then you go ahead and specify the maximum bandwidth you want on this particular Mangle rule. Okay, And so this is what we want. Let me make it 4. Okay, and then we have this one as well, which is 3M, and then probably let me do this. Okay, and then 4 as well, and then priority should be 2, and then you leave everything at default. You click OK, and so let's see something. We're going to see a traffic going on here if we try to browse or something else. Let's say YouTube. Okay, so let me observe my traffic from this side. This is the traffic that is going on currently for the Mangle row we just created. So in a way, it's going to allocate all these 3 megabytes of upload and 4 megabytes of download to the address list we created, because the network at this moment might be free, and so it's actually going to give the priority to this address list we created here. Okay, so the queue rule is really working on the address list we created. Okay, it's really working on the address list we created. And so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to change my IP from actually I have my IP being part of the address list, and so I'm going to change that and then see if my browsing experience will be okay. As you can see, I cannot even browse well, and so I'm going to, my internet is not really going well with me at this moment because of the rule I created, and so I'm going to take my IP out of it, out of the address list, and then we'll see how my computer works well for me. Okay, so I'm going to do that now, and this is my address, so I'm disabling it, and then let's see my browsing experience now. Very fast. Okay, let me go to YouTube and see. Actually, I don't have very fast internet here, so it's normal. You see it playing down this way. Okay. Let me check on the queue and see if there's any traffic going on still. So I guess it works. Okay, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. Hi my viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and I expect your comments as well. Thank you very much, and catch up with you some other time. Thank you.